Okay, so the plan is, this is the back of my house, and I've replaced the windows every place except for here. And from the inside of the house, this is the family room, and I've ordered a door, a sliding door to go here, this way, and then a solid pane window to go that way, a picture window, so that I can still get ventilation like from here, or I can open the door there. And of course in Florida you get the heat, you know, all summer long, so most of the time it's going to be closed up during the summer. But the problem is that there is electric in this wall, and I have to find out exactly what it is. So I marked inside, there is a receptacle on the wall right about in here someplace, and so I'm going to break through the wall here and see where it goes, and then I need to reroute that because this piece of the wall is going to be removed. So anyway, that's the plan. This is a chipping hammer, and I just did a video on drilling holes. These are all carbide bits. This is mostly used for masonry. The carbide's very hard, and then this is tool steel, different diameters. But these are chisels. And I think I have, that's a tile chisel to take tile off of stuff with. I have a, there it is. Okay. So there's a demo chisel here. And so pull back on this. This has been lubricated inside here with little lithium grease. Oops. This is called an SDS end here. It engages with some stuff down inside the nose here, and it locks into place. Okay. And we're just going to blast away. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so these can be set for rotating and hammering at the same time, rotating only or hammering only, and obviously we want to hammer. Okay. Okay, so in here, this is where we want to go, right in here. So this is a cement block, and I can see here's one of the webs of the block. And where are we relative to that? Okay. So we continue to work on this. Okay, so what we have then is not what I was expecting. I was expecting that we would be able to see a receptacle box here, and that we would see conduit probably coming from the sides, maybe just wire, but conduit because of the age of the house. But it means that that receptacle is much shallower than I was anticipating. All right, well, this is not going to do it for us.